Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota CHR LE. This is a 5-passenger crossover in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. And right up top you'll find your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. There's some storage space on the bottom of the door as well. If we take a look inside, the CHR comes equipped with black fabric seating, and on the bottom you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. We have our key here. We're going to press that button for that key to fold out, and we're going to start this CHR up. Now, as always, we start with the steering wheel features. On the left side you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side you have your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows in the center here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Moving on to our display here, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. On the right side you have your trip information, so we can press that. And in this screen you can also look at your history. If we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth. Now if we go into the menu button here, you have that projection icon in the corner. The CHR does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if we go into reverse, of course you have that backup camera. Moving down to our climate control, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You'll also find your eco mode on the right side along with your AC. On the bottom we have some storage and cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB port. Taking a look inside the back here, we have a little bit of storage in the doors just like the driver's side. Of course, we are continuing with the black fabric seating. If we move a little closer here, you have this button in the corner. We can give that a press. The seats will fold flat, giving you access to your cargo. To access the cargo of the CHR, there is a little button here under the Toyota emblem and right next to the backup camera. If we give that a press, that'll open up nice and easy. You can see you still have plenty of storage space in the back of the CHR. And like I mentioned, there is seats to fold down that will always give you that extra bit of room. The CHR also comes equipped with a cargo cover as well. And if we look underneath here, you'll find some extra storage along with your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your dual zone climate control, backup camera, Bluetooth capabilities, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.